Ready, babe? Taylor, you know I'm not the best with words, but I hope you know I love you and that these vows will reinforce how much you mean to me. I've always been afraid of marriage because of the uncertainty and all the unknown, but because of you, that fear is gone. You have slowly torn down all the walls I've put up and showed me what true love really is. I'm excited to marry you and start our life together. Taylor, you're the most patient, selfless, kind, and empathetic person I know. You always put everyone else's needs before your own. You're smart, creative, and a little funny sometimes too. I admire that you're your own woman who thinks for herself and stands up for what you believe in. You're beautiful inside and out, and I love seeing your pretty smile.
Jason, on January 25th, 2019, I walked into Dublin's with Madison with every intention of having a girls' night. And then I saw you, and girls' night was completely ruined. I felt so drawn to you in a way I've never felt before. Even though you canceled our first date because UK was playing Kansas, I'm glad we gave this thing a shot because it has turned into something far greater than I could have ever imagined. I was feeling so lost in the world, constantly running from one place to the next, because the thought of being still meant I'd have to sit with my feelings silently and alone. You came to my rescue in that bar that night in more ways than one. In you, I have found my greatest friend. My love for you has only grown stronger with time. You are the most reliable, gentle, loving man, and I'm so honored that you've chosen me to be your wife.
You have changed my life in more ways than you know. You're the person that I can depend on, my best friend, the person who keeps me grounded, the one who finishes my sentences and sayings, the one who believes in me and challenges me to be a better man. You're the one who DPTs me when I get injured, and the best teammate I could ever ask for.
I love that after just a few months of dating, you searched my Pinterest wedding board and saved my dream ring. I love that you made sure I always had something to eat on my busiest days of physical therapy school. I love that you encouraged me to push myself in order to grow into the woman I'm becoming.
I promise to love you forever. I promise to be your teammate through good times and bad. I promise to always support your dreams and motivate you when you need a little push. I promise to continue to work on myself to become a better man for you. I promise to give you my best and always try to make sure your needs are being met.
I vow to always work with you and not against you. I vow to be fiercely loyal to you even when times get tough. I vow to support you as your wife, to be your partner, and to love you with everything that I have. Love, your wife, Taylor.
Every curve, every ditch, every turn, every bridge I left behind me up in smoke, every fork in the road. It was all worth the while when I finally saw you smile. Every highway, every heartbreak, every mountain, every mile.
I love that when we talked about writing vows over a year ago, you decided to write vowels instead and came up with something ridiculous for every letter, even though you don't know what a consonant is. You have proven to me time and time again that a life with you is full of stability, trust, respect, and is always fun. When I look at you, I feel home for the first time in such a long time.
Taylor, I can't wait to see what our future has in store for us. I'm ready to build our life together, travel to all the places we want to see, be River's dad, see you become a mom, and finally have a place we can both call home. I may not be able to love you as much as River, but I'm a very close second. There are a lot of people in this world, but there's no one I would rather spend the rest of my life with than you. I love you.
Oh my